Okay. Brandon has just had his COVID haircut. He's opening a box. There's something in there that is 6 pounds. This is the big reveal video.
I obviously know what they are.
Do you want to have them put on your feet before you see them?
I can't put them on my feet.
Yes, we can
Blindfolded?
while you're blindfolded.
Say that.
Unclip his blindfold.
Unclip his blindfold for the big reveal.
The Team Canada skates.
I want to get so much with these.
Thank you to the IIHF. Oh, I don't know if you should stand in.
I don't understand. I might break the floor.
Oh my God, they're beautiful. Thank you for to the World Juniors. These are beautiful skates.
Let's go Canada. Let's get her done, boys. Put the biscuit in the basket, you know. Is that a moose?